Hello friends, welcome to Android Stack. Today we are learn about how to create a custom list view in Android Studio. So let's start. First we create Android project, select empty activity, press next button. Here declare a project name, custom list view. Select here language Java and press finish button. So it creates our custom list view project. Now go to the activity main.xml file. So first delete this by default text view. Change the constant layout to linear layout. Give here orientation to vertical. Now declare here list view. Give the layout width to match parent and height to match parent. We are display a list view, a country flag with country name. So give here ID and name it a country list. Give the here divider height to 2 dp. Divider color to color accent. And list selector we are given here red color here. Now go to the main activity.java file. First declare here list view. Now we assign this list view. Now we here declare a string object for country name and int array object for display a country flag. So give here a string country name in that we are declare here America, India, Australia, China, New Zealand, Portugal, so we declare a country name string array object. Now we declare int array object for display images. So go to this folder, select all these images and we are paste this all the images in the drawable folder. I am put this images link to the description file. You can download from that. Click the OK button. So all the images are stored in drawable folder. Now declare here int array object for country flag. So give here r dot drawable and flag name. So first America, so we select here USA, and r dot drawable dot India, select India here, r dot drawable dot Australia, r dot drawable dot China, r dot drawable dot New Zealand, and r dot drawable dot Portugal. So now we are creating one layout file. Go to the layout folder, right click on that, new layout resource file, name that custom layout and give this root element here to linear layout. Now click OK button. So we have here orientation by default vertical, so change it to horizontal. Now declare here image view, give the layout width to 60 dp, layout height to 60 dp. Now give here ID, country, flag, image. Give the layout gravity to center, give the layout weight to 1. Now we here declare one text view, give the layout width to ref content and layout height to 60 dp. Give the ID name to country, flag, name. Give here a layout weight to 1, layout gravity to center, and by default text here we give country name. Give the text size 18 dp. Now go to the main activity. So here we declare custom layout file for display our country name and country flag. So for that we have to create one adapter class. So go to this custom list view, right click on that, new and Java class. Name here MyAdapter. Now extend it with BaseAdapter. So it creates an error. Click on that and implement methods. Select all the methods and click OK. So it's create 4 methods: get count, get item ID, and get view. So now we are go to the main activity file. Here we are create MyAdapter, adapter equals to new MyAdapter. Pass here first context, then country name, then country flag. So it's create redline error. Click on that and create constructor. So it's create here context, string country name and int country flag. So here we are create context, create here string object name country name, create here int array object name country flag. Now in that we are assign all of that, assign country name and assign the flag. So in the get count we are pass here country flag dot length. So now we have to inflate this custom layout.xml file. So create here a layout inflator. Now in that inflator equals to layout inflator dot from application context, but here we pass this context. So now go to the view method. Here convert view equals to inflator dot inflate r dot layout dot custom layout. Pass here root object to null. So here we declare a text view, country name equals to here text view is convert view dot find view by id r dot id dot country flag name and image view country image view and convert view dot find view by id r dot id dot country flag image. So now we assign this country name and country image. So country name dot set text country name and pass here a position, and country image dot set image source, set image resource country flag and pass here position and return here this convert view. So it's complete our adapter class. Now go to the main activity. So now here we set list view to our adapter. So list view dot set adapter and adapter. So now let's check that. Click on the run. So it's Gradle building. It's take 2 to 3 minutes. So our building is successful and it's open an emulator. So it's launched our app successfully. You can check it, America, India, Australia. So that's it for today's video. If you gain some knowledge, then please subscribe our channel and like this video and support us. Thank you.